Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode is this cool, amazing product right here in my hand, and basically what this is a key finder. So basically you can just put this onto like your wallet, your keys, or wherever you want to like keep track of where your things are. And it actually has the option to kind of like send like a signal or like vibration, whatever, to let you guys know where exactly it is. So right now it's like 2021 and you guys probably heard the news about the brand new AirTags. And obviously those are super convenient because it tells you exactly where they are. But if you guys are on a budget and you can't afford the AirTags, then this is definitely something to go for because it literally does the same thing. But instead of it showing you guys where exactly it is on the map or on your phone or whatever, this one actually makes a noise to let you guys know where it is. So I'm actually opening the product first to show you guys what it actually looks like first before we test it out. So you guys take a look at the back part right here and see it tells you guys how to use the product itself and where you guys can actually use it for. Let's open it up. Alright, so they provide you guys an instruction manual to teach you guys how to use the product itself. They provide you guys some labels that you can use to stick it on to the actual product itself so you guys know which one is for what. They do provide you guys a customer service card if there's anything wrong with the product itself. So right here they provide you guys some adhesive tape that you guys can actually use for the product itself if you guys want to. Right here they provide you guys some keychains that you guys can actually use to attach it onto the actual product itself. So you guys can actually attach it to your keys, or you guys can attach it to your wallet, or you can put it wherever you guys want to. That's up to you guys. So for these keychains or for these cable right here, you can see they have it in different size. So here's the shortest one, here's the next shortest one, and then here are the long ones right here that you can actually use if you guys want to. Right here they provide you guys a stand for the actual product itself, which I'll show you guys how to use in a second. But right here you can see everything else. So they provide you guys the battery for each one of the product itself right here. And right here is basically the remote to control each one of the actual receivers or key finders here. So that way you guys know exactly where each one is. So let's take it all out first. Alright, so we take out the remote right here. Right underneath it, they do provide you guys some more keychains here as well. So you guys definitely have the option to use these right here, or you can use these. If you guys are wondering how to use a keychain, you guys can refer to this folder right here. So there's definitely two different ways to use it. So right here is the remote. So there's 4 of them right here. Each one of these buttons is for each one of the actual receiver or the key finders itself. So here's another accessory right here, which we'll find out what that's for in a second. And right here they provide you guys the flat batteries that you want to use for the actual product itself. And then right here we have the product. So let's take it out first. So right here are all 4 of them, if you can see. So if you guys are wondering what the accessory is for right here, you guys want to use this to open up this part right here. So you just want to twist it open like this. So we got to open. You guys want to take it out now. Alright, so once we open up, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like inside. So you guys want to insert the battery that they provide for you guys to use the product itself. And you just want to insert it through here like this. And then you guys want to close back up. So it should be ready now, and you can actually put it into your wallet, your keychains, or whatever. Now for the remote right here, you guys actually need to use your own battery, which is not provided for you guys. But the way how you guys open it up is just by sliding open like this. And you can see you guys do need 2 AAA batteries right here. So let's put it in first. Alright, so I got my 2 batteries in here. Let's close it back up. Alright, so it should be all ready. Let's give it a try and see what actually works. So I believe once I press the blue button, it should make an alarm right here. Alright, so it makes a noise so you guys know where exactly it is. So you can see once we press the button, it actually makes a really loud beeping noise. But it also has a flashing light right here. So if you guys are in a dark setting or dark room, you guys can definitely see that flashing right here. If not, you guys can definitely hear the sound on here as well. Let me actually press it one more time to show you guys what I mean. So something definitely to remember is the fact that when you guys use this product itself, you do need the remote to actually find it. So for example, if you guys have this on your keychain for your keys or whatever, and you guys lost your key at like a supermarket, but this one is stuck at home. If you guys try to press on this, obviously you cannot find it because most of you guys lost it in the supermarket. So you probably need to go all the way to the supermarket to find it. However, if you guys lose this at home or you guys forgot something at home, you guys just press the button and then find it exactly where it is. So it's definitely something to kind of consider or remember when you guys purchase one of these products right here. And another cool feature about the product itself is the fact that right here is also a flashlight. So if I push this part up, you can see the flashlight turn on. It's not like a super bright flashlight or anything, but it definitely does work. And when you guys are done using it, just turn it off. So that's how you guys use that option right there. Let me actually install one of these right here to show you guys how it works. So you just simply need to just slide it in here like this. So in this case, I'll just put all 4 of them. So just need to put it in like that, and then push this part out like this, and then go like this, and just screw it on. Right, and then it's all set. So now you can actually use it as a keychain and everything. And definitely the material for this keychain right here is super durable, so you don't have to worry about losing it or it actually falls off easy. It actually holds in place pretty nicely. And like I mentioned earlier right here, they have the little post-it notes. So you actually write on here and tape it on the back right here so you guys know what each color represents. Definitely it is not as convenient as like an air tag. So that's why you guys are paying like a price difference between this versus those. But like I mentioned earlier, these are super convenient if you guys want to leave these or use this at home, if you guys misplaced it at home. But if you guys misplaced it somewhere else, then probably it's not ideal to get one of these right here. So that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we did unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I definitely have to say that these are worth it if you guys are planning on using it at home or in the office or anywhere else that's within the range. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one, or like I mentioned earlier, if you guys like lose this product somewhere else that's not within the range, like if you guys lose in supermarket and this is at home, then it's probably not ideal to get one of these because it won't really work too well. Especially like I mentioned, if you guys compare it to like AirTag, which is a lot more accurate and show you guys exactly where it is. That's why there's a huge price difference like I mentioned as well. So if you guys consider all those factors I just mentioned, then probably it's not worth it for you guys and should save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.